9's pattern? How do we find it? So we have to double 9 because it's on its own pattern. We just showed that because we tried to add it up and 9 wasn't in either one of those equations, right? So we got to double to create, right? So 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 18 is 36. 36 plus 36 is 72. 72 plus 72 is 144. And we'll stop there because you get the point. But all of these need to be reduced to find a pattern because they're all too big, right? They're not a single base number. So 18 is 1 plus 8. That equals 9. 36 is 3 plus 6. That equals 9. 72 is 7 plus 2. That equals 9. 144 is 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 4 is 9, right? So that's the pattern of 9, is it's its own pattern by itself, right? So we're going to put that up here, right? And so now you'll notice that we have our patterns. We have our physical world numbers. We have our 3 spiritual numbers, but we have a hierarchy here. You see it? It's a pyramid. It's a triangle. It's a hierarchy chart. So you got the physical world numbers that are governed by the spiritual numbers, but the physical world numbers are governed by 3 and 6, and 3 and 6 are governed by 9. And 9 is governing all of them, right? So how do we know that? We have to prove that, right? We have to prove that these patterns are correct. So what we're going to do is we're going to add these physical world numbers up together, right? So we have 2 plus 4, and we have the next one is 4 and 8, so 4 plus 8, and the next one is 7, so we got 8 plus 7, and we're just going down the line, right, to the next one, right? So we just did 8 and 7, so now we're doing 7 and 5. So 7 plus 5, and then 5 plus 1, right? Okay, so we have 3 in the middle here that need to be reduced, right? So 12 is 1 plus 2. That equals 3. 15 is 1 plus 5. That equals 6. 12, again, is 3, right? So here's how you know that 3 and 6 govern the physical world numbers. They govern these numbers, right? Our physical reality, right? Okay. And I'll write this out real quick, but I'm sure you've already figured it out. How do we prove that 9 governs 3 and 6, right? 3 plus 6 equals 9. That one's easy, right? So that's how we know that 9 governs 3 and 6, right? So how do we know that 9 governs all of them? How do we know? So this is how. 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 plus 1. That's 27, okay? And remember, you got to reduce to explain creation. So 2 plus 7 equals 9. So that's how you know that 9 governs also the physical reality, okay? And then obviously, 3 plus 6 equals 9. So you know 9 governs 3 and 6 as well, okay? So what is this telling us? This is telling us that 9 equals the Creator, or God, right? And 3 and 6 equal duality. And then 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1 are earth, right? Or us, physical. And another way to look at this is duality can be angels and demons, right? And if you're into the laws of the universe, we can break that down even farther. And God can be balance, right? And then 3 and 6 can be positive and negative energy, right? Or masculine and feminine energy, right? And then this is self-explanatory. Physical world, humans, right? Or grounding, right? You can do grounding. Okay. So, based on the patterns that we found, by doubling all these numbers and reducing them to patterns, we are able to explain which each one of these numbers in our reality exists and what it does and who it is, right? So again, 9's on the top, it governs all of those numbers, right, within itself. And the reason it's at the top is because it equals balance. It balances out all the rest of the planes. Even though 3 and 6 are also spiritual realm numbers, they're also governed by the Creator. And then 3 and 6 is like angels and demons, positive and negative, masculine and feminine, or duality, and then us in the physical realm. Okay.